so scary, right? You'll be like, what the shit? I'm gonna die up there.
Look! From my window, I can see all the buildings, right? Then there's one building. For the past 2 days, they always like,
Oh my god, it's really lightning, you know? Why is it like that?
they're like, I'm like,
Now, can you believe that 2012, you'll just die?
Oh, that was incredible.
it's something that's bigger than me.
That's from the ship.
Wait, are you sure that's lightning or is it some light
It
effect?
can't be something else. It's too high up. There's nothing there. Down there is like Mount Faber. Oh my god, it's so scary. Oh my god, why?
I think it's only there. Maybe that place is raining right now.
Oh, there, that's why I also have a bit just now.
Or is it going to rain?
I think it's gonna rain really, really bad.
Ooh,
Usually it's not that bad leh. So it's just that size.
Hey, those people who are sitting at the cable car,
Yeah, everyone will be a heart attack. Oh my god, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die.
You can see it moving down. I mean, if you're like a photographer now, it's a great time to go.
Yeah, you'll be like, awesome.
Make out like,
Scary lah.
maybe over there, right? It's actually at the sea right now.
But it doesn't even look like it's raining there, and there's no thunder. Oh my god,
I think there's a lot of lightning on it. But it's happening near my house also. Near my house, like, for the past 2 days, there's a lot of lightning. I don't know why.
But there's no rain.
It's only, yeah, at night. It's just like suddenly, only on one side. There's one building, so it's always behind that building.